My smeg oven is not working now, the mod no. Is SA420X, and I couldn't find the instruction manual, can I get it repaired? It's been more than 10 years old, and I couldn't find any product information of this model from smeg offical site. Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. I'm so sorry that no one else has responded to you. Apologies for my delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? Please just use the reply button to contact me. I have the manual for this and can upload it for you, if you would like a copy. This should still be repairable. What seems to be the problem? Thanks, Rob.
Hi Rob, thanks for your reply. I think I do need the copy of the manual. The problem with it is that all the buttons or switches are not working when I press or turn them. No lights on or fan or cooking device start working. This oven is in my apartment for tenants to use, and I think they didn't use it well. So I will contact smeg Australia team for repair information, and am thinking to replace it if it cannot be fixed. So I do need to know the dimensions so that I can order the right one with the right size. And by the way, so you have any idea that how much is the repair cost for this kind of oven usually? Many thanks. Cheers, Hannah.
Hi Hannah, sorry for the delay, we are in different time zones, please go here, just click on the word here. Wait for the page to settle, ignore the adverts, then click the download button. You are looking for the media file. This is a PDF file so you can save it or print it for future reference. This is the manual for your oven. The best people to contact will be smeg themselves, as they will have access to all the spares. It sounds as if the clock itself may be faulty, so to get an accurate idea, ask them how much it would cost to have the clock replaced. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces, which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question, and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
Hey Rob, thanks very much, and I think your advice is useful. Just one more question. As you can see from the picture, the oven's LED screen shows nothing. I mean, the clock is not flashing at all. Does it mean the power of oven is not on at all? Maybe the electric circuit of the oven is down? Thanks very much for your kind help. Cheers, Hannah.
Hi Hannah, no lights on the clock is one of the two things you mention. So, the first thing is to make sure the power to the oven is switched on. If it is, normally the clock would flash, but it's possible that the clock is completely dead, Rob.
Hi Rob, I was thinking of the same thing as you mentioned, but I couldn't find the power switch for this kind of built-in oven _. And to my understanding that the clock of the built-in oven should be always flashing once the clock itself has no problem. Do you have any idea or suggestion where I can find the power switch for this oven? Thanks a lot. Cheers, Hannah.
Hi Hannah, normally the oven would have a separate fused spur, so it would look a bit like a normal light switch. It should be sited somewhere nearby, maybe in a cupboard above or below. I think they have switched it off.
Hey Rob, just let you know a good news that the oven is working now. It was switched off by someone, and I found the power switch near the entrance of my apartment with other electric power switches in a built-in box. Thank God. And I kind feel a little bit silly T_T. Anyway, the manual you provided is still useful as I will know how to operate this oven wisely _. Thanks again for your very kind help and patience. Cheers, Hannah.
Hi Hannah, yay. Well done, all the best, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.